G'day guys, I'm James from Pulse Laser Systems. Today we're going to be showing off our fiber laser cleaner. This is our 3 kilowatt machine. It is quite a substantial size, but the main reason why it's so big is because inside we have an S&A chiller and a Raker's power supply. Now the chiller itself can hold up to 16 litres of distilled water, and it's 100% duty cycle, which meaning you're able to run this machine all day, all night, and just because how large it is, it's got a massive extraction fan, so therefore you can just run and run and run. It's like a Stallion, but you just feed it water and power. The Raker's power supply is rated for 3,000 watts because this is a 3,000 watt laser cleaning machine. It's pretty simple, just turn it on, turn it off, and that's all you need to do. The only thing that you need to do maintenance-wise for the chiller is replace the water once a month, regardless. If it's sitting in the corner of the workshop for a month, it's more paramount that you change that water because the sediment and stuff will sit and rest on the bottom of the chiller because it's not cycling. Talking about the gun, this is our Gen 2 laser cleaning gun. Now, the difference between our gun and other guns on the market is mostly this nozzle here. The main reason why it's so long is it reduces the chances of contaminants bouncing back into the lenses and the optics that you see here, your focus and protective. It minimizes that chance. All you do is open the door, it locks to the side, and you can see on the inside there, you can see your optics and your lenses and the mirror right up the back. You hook it up to a compressed air line or argon if you really want to, but we do recommend using compressed air. Obviously have a few filters and a dryer. If water gets into this via the air channels, the chances of contamination and burning through your optics is quite high. So have as many filters and dryers as possible without restricting the airflow, and you'll be right as rain. First layer of protection is our protective lens. All you have to do is just undo the 2 grub screws on the sides. Just pull it back with that little bit extra to get that bit of grip. Just give it a little bit of wiggle. And there you can see we have our protection lens. This just stops the contaminants from coming into the gun and hitting the focus lens. It does have O-rings around the outside to stop any contaminants from getting in from the outside through the cap itself. And then next is your focus lens, which we won't be pulling out because I don't want dust on it. And just overall, the ergonomics of the gun is just a lot easier to handle. It's just a simple line. You got a button on the top of the gun, which acts as a safe wire. So when you want to engage the machine, you push that button, the LED comes on, the air will start to flow through it. To run the machine, all you do, you have to turn the machine on, obviously. All it is just a simple button right there. All you do is a laser will be emitted from the top here, bounce on the material, and all you do is just aim, point, and shoot, taking into consideration how wide your beam is. If it is 240 mil long, or wider I should say, it's going to go a lot wider than the material that we have down there because that's not 240 mil, that's about 160. But if I was doing lengthwise and doing sections that way, yes, it would work, but it takes more time because I'm starting and stopping. Putting the gun back, all machines come with a pole, so you can hang your gun up if you really wanted to. On the inside, get a little handle allowing you to get access to the top of the hood, and it just comes up. Every machine will come with a toolkit that comes with extra lenses, Allen keys, a set of glasses that are rated for the laser, an extra focus lens, and air hoses and water lines. You get a fancy little screwdriver, extra buttons if you need it, and a roll of Glad wrap that you can use to wrap the gun to make it look, keep it nice and clean, and make it look like me when you take it off. You're like, oh, nice and fancy. It also comes with a regulator, comes with a stand that you can mount on your bench. It does have holes on the sides, so you can drill a hole, mount this onto the bench so it won't move, and you can put the gun on there if you're working in a bench top area, or you can just hang it on the top of the machine with the pole. Everything on this machine has 2 years warranty, besides your optics, which is your focus and protective lenses, and the QPH lens itself, which is inside the machine. Currently, this machine has a 15-meter cable. That's the length of this here. So I'm able to unwind the whole cable and I can stand way past out the door. So there's plenty of length, but that is special order. Standard comes in 7.5 meters. We can go up to 15 meters. If you want something more, a little bit in between there, it's a special order. We have to get it custom made just because of the fiber optic cable that comes from the power source into the gun and along the line. And that's pretty much a basic rundown of the machine, the gun, what's included, the warranty, the duty cycle. It's most important that people understand that this machine has 100% duty cycle because it is able to run continuously, which means you're able to run it longer, you're able to clean for a lot longer, and increasing the customer's bottom line, which means more money for you, less time spent on labor compared to blasting or spending a lot of time using sandpaper and orbital sanders to bring that rusted finish of the material off. Plug in the machine, turn it on, put your glasses on or a hood, whatever you prefer, and run it. We'll run a full demonstration of the laser operating, and when we get to that episode, we'll show you the safety features, precautions that you'll need, and your best work environment and best use case on how to use the machine safely and correctly. Till then, I'm James from Pulse Laser Systems. Have a good one.